Listen carefully. If you're still using very basic expressions, you will never sound fluent. Today, I'll show you how to replace those weak words with stronger, more natural English. Pay attention because this is exactly how advanced speakers talk. 1. Most people say I'm tired. But that sounds ordinary. A fluent speaker says I'm exhausted. Notice how exhausted carries more weight. Tip paints a stronger picture of your feeling. 2. You often hear people say I'm happy. But fluent English goes further. You can say I'm thrilled or I'm over the moon. These expressions show not just happiness, but excitement. 3. Instead of the lazy phrase, I don't know, try saying I'm not sure, or I'll have to check. These sound more polite, professional, and confident. 4. Stop saying it's very good. That's too plain. Use it's excellent or it's outstanding. See how much more powerful it sounds? 5. When you say I'm very busy, it's okay, but it's not impressive. Say I'm swamped or I'm tied up. That's how natives naturally express being busy. 6. Don't just say I'm hungry. If you're really hungry, say I'm starving. It sounds stronger, and it's what fluent speakers use. 7. We often hear, I'm very cold. But fluent English replaces it with, I'm freezing. Short, sharp, and natural. 8. Similarly, instead of I'm very hot, say I'm boiling. See how much more expressive it is? 9. Avoid it's very bad. It's flat. Say it's awful or it's terrible. That's the language of fluency. 10. Stop saying I like it. That's too basic. Try, I'm fond of it or I'm into it. These show more personality in your speech. 11. People say I'm very scared, but that doesn't hit hard. Say I'm terrified. That's real fluency, it shows intensity. 12. When angry, don't just say I'm very angry. Say I'm furious. It's stronger, sharper, and sounds advanced. 13. For size, don't say it's very big. Say it's enormous or it's massive. These words impress the listener. 14. Likewise, it's very small is too weak. Say it's tiny or it's minute. That's how natives express smallness. 15. Instead of I'm very surprised, say I'm astonished or I'm amazed. These words sound elegant and fluent. 16. Don't say it's very interesting. That's old. Say it's fascinating. That's the mark of fluency. 17. When something is extremely clean, don't say it's very clean. Say it's spotless. One word, powerful meaning. 18. Similarly, don't say it's very dirty. Say it's filthy. That's natural, everyday advanced English. 19. If you keep saying it's very important, it sounds boring. Instead, say it's crucial or it's vital. That's the language of professionals. 20. And finally, instead of I'm very sad, use I'm devastated or I'm heartbroken. These words truly capture deep emotion. Now you understand. Fluency doesn't come from big grammar. It comes from using precise, powerful words. Replace the basics, and you'll instantly sound advanced. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon your English will stand out.